Hi, in this video we are going to learn about selecting cells and basic Excel features. Selecting a cell, we just click on the left mouse button, point to the cell, click on the left mouse button. This will select the cell. If I wanted to select column A, row 1, A1, cell A1, sorry, I just point to this cell and click on the left mouse button. This will select the cell. If I wanted to select the entire column, say B, column B, I click on the letter B, it selects all entire column. If you wanted to select the row 2, similarly, we can just click on the number 2 here, it selects the entire row. If you wanted to select everything, all, then you can go to the left top corner where you can see a triangular symbol there. So it selects everything then. Okay, now again the next thing what we need to do is let's learn about resizing as well. Resizing the columns and rows. When you move on to the B, when you gradually move it towards, you can see this split kind of a cursor. You can click on the left mouse button, keep clicking, keep pressing, do not release the button, and drag it over. It will going to resize. Similarly here it will resize. If we need to resize multiple columns, we just select on column 1, keep the mouse button pressed, just drag it towards the right, it will select all these columns, and clicking on any one of this will make you all these columns into the same size. Similarly to the rows, this is how it works. Now after this sorry, as a part of this tutorial, this lessons, we need to format the cells. There are various options. If you go to the home button, there are different buttons here: home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review, view, and theme. I go to the home button. Then if I wanted to change this back color of this cell, I go to this particular icon. Then I select different colors, whichever I need. This will change the back color. If I wanted to change a different color, I go and change it here. So I enter some text, name of employee. So if I wanted to change the forecolor, the text color, I can do so by selecting this button, clicking on this button. If I wanted to remove this color, whatever I entered, I can select these cells, click on this and just drag over. Then I can say no fill. This is gone. So this is how we do it to the font selections, and inserting and deleting cells. We can, if we wanted to insert a new column here, name of the employee, date of joining. If you wanted one more column between these two, so that I can enter the date of birth of employee, so I can insert here, insert. This is inserting the columns. Name of the person is X, Y, Z, and date of birth, let's leave it out. Date of joining also leave it out. Suppose if we need date of birth is 1/1/2005. Okay, 1/2/2004. 1/2/1998. For example, if I wanted to add one more employee inserting in between, so I can select these cells, then click on insert, it will give you an option whether to shift cells down or shift cells right. In this case, we need the cells to shift cells down. I click on shift cells down. It will only shift these two cells and provide me one more cell. It will not going to insert a row, but it will only do this only to this part. Okay, that one, and then we need to set the borders of this text. You can select this table, then set borders. You can set only the left border. You can set only the right border, or you can set the border, all borders. Set it like this. And if you wanted to thick box border, you can do so. And if you wanted to, I'm right clicking on it. Now I'm going to click on the right mouse button and select format cells. Go to the border, select the border. I'm just selecting the dotted. Click on which area you wanted to apply. I'm selecting everything except the center horizontal line. So it will perform all this borders here. So now we learned about how to make these borders, but make sure that you practice along with this video. So it will give you hands-on. The learning in Excel is more useful when you practice. It will be very good if you practice along with it. The practice gives you more insight on it and hands on it. Okay, now we learned this part. Then let's think about the formatting this text. There are different formattings. You can see this center line, aligning this text to the center. I am just left mouse click, drag down, center it. If I wanted to left, wanted it right, it will go to the right. So now we have done this, and then we have now we have it. If we have a scenario where we have this text very long, in that case we can use, I'm right clicking on it, on that particular cell, and clicking on format. I'm going to select alignment, then I'm selecting wrap text. When you select this particular option, we're going to wrap this text within the cell. You can see this, it has wrapped it. If we don't want to wrap, let the text remain there, then we can select shrink to fit within the cell. So it will fit within the cell. So this is the option that we have, and we can say there is orientation also. The text orientation. You can see this button, it's the orientation. You can select how your text should be, angular, counterclockwise. We're going to make it like this. It will going to angle it. Similarly, angular and vertical, it will going to be vertical. Rotate text up, it will going to rotate text up. Rotate text down, it will be like this. So this is how we use the orientation. Then right text, fit to cell, text orientation, indentation of text. For indentation, what we can do is let's make it horizontal now. Now if the manager came here, and these are employees, we need to have an indentation. Indentation in the sense we move them further down. So we select the cells where we need indentation and click on increase indent. So it will going to push it further. Employee name BC, they wanted to come under this, then push it indent. So this is about indentation. Formatting, inserting and deleting cell back color, resizing cells, selecting cells. Yeah, we are done with this part. So keep practicing. I will learn more. There are so many things which you can practice by yourself. The size of this font. There is another way to change your font. Now it's showing caliber. I can select on this. I can set this as a Rockwell. And the size I can set whatever the size I need. So the formatting of the cells, if we have different cells, say in this case we have a salary of 4500, we need to do the formatting. Right click on the cell, or you can select any number of cells, right click on it, then select the number format, click on number. You can use this with 1000 separator, or you have a custom one where you can specify anything you like. So I'm clicking on this, so it will going to create this format. This is the formatting of the cell values. Thank you.